Let's be honest, buying an SUV today feels like walking through a minefield. Prices are exploding, reliability is questionable, and every company claims their model is the best. But deep down, you know most of them won't last a decade without draining your wallet. That's where most people go wrong. They buy based on hype, not history. See, a real SUV isn't just about the looks, the touchscreen, or the badge on the front. It's about endurance. It's about a machine that starts every morning, no matter how cold, no matter how many years pass. Now, imagine this: 5 SUVs that not only save you money up front, but also save you from years of hidden maintenance nightmares. These are vehicles that have been tested by time, proven by real owners, and respected even by mechanics who see through the marketing fluff. They don't need fancy slogans or celebrity endorsements because their strength speaks through thousands of trouble-free miles. And here's the truth most car ads won't tell you. Some of the best SUVs aren't even the newest ones on the block. They're the ones quietly holding their value, while others collapse under repair bills and recalls. In this video, we're cutting through the noise and exposing 5 SUVs that won't break the bank and won't break your trust. So, before you sign that dealership paper or get hypnotized by glossy car commercials, watch till the end. Because once you see what truly lasts, you'll never look at SUVs the same way again. 1. Toyota RAV4, the indestructible daily warrior. You've probably heard of the RAV4, but what most people don't realize is it's not an SUV anymore. It's a reputation on wheels. This machine has been built to outlast your patience. The engine doesn't complain, the transmission doesn't whine, and it'll still start after years of neglect. The RAV4 isn't about luxury, it's about loyalty. The kind of SUV that just keeps going when everything else gives up. 2. Honda CR-V, the silent strategist. The Honda CR-V doesn't try to impress you. It quietly earns your respect. It's like that friend who never brags, but always shows up when needed. It doesn't age quickly, doesn't beg for attention, and never empties your wallet on repairs. The CR-V has mastered the art of silent strength. It's not flashy, it's not aggressive, but it wins the long game of durability and comfort, every single time. 3. Subaru Forester, the mountain machine. The Forester is built for people who don't trust roads. They trust themselves. It's one of the few SUVs that can handle mud, snow, and city chaos without breaking character. Subaru's all-wheel drive isn't just marketing, it's a mechanical promise. The Forester doesn't fear rough terrain, it craves it. And when it comes to lasting years, this SUV doesn't just survive, it dominates quietly, like nature itself. 4. Mazda CX-5, the stylish survivor. The Mazda CX-5 is the proof that reliability doesn't have to be boring. Most long-lasting SUVs look dull and drive duller, but the CX-5, it's different. It's the one that combines soul, design, and endurance in a single heartbeat. The engine doesn't just run, it performs with discipline. Mazda built it for people who love driving but hate paying repair bills, and that's a rare kind of intelligence. 5. Toyota Highlander, the family fortress. If the RAV4 is the loyal soldier, the Highlander is the general. This SUV is designed for families who want permanence. It feels heavy, stable, and unshakable, because it is. Toyota engineered it to handle chaos, kids, cargo, long trips, bad weather, and still look composed after a decade. It's not a car you replace, it's one you pass down. That's the Highlander's secret weapon, longevity with legacy. So, the question isn't which SUV looks the best. The real question is, which one will still look good when others are rusting away? Because in the end, the best SUV isn't the newest one. It's the one that never leaves you stranded. You know what's funny? Everyone claims they want a reliable SUV until it's time to actually buy one. That's when emotions hijack logic. Suddenly, chrome trims, massive touchscreens, and glowing badges seem worth it. But years later, when repair bills start piling up, They remember videos like this one. The truth is, the SUVs we just talked about aren't trending. They're tested. They don't beg for your attention. They earn your trust. And that's exactly what most people ignore when buying cars today. So, here's my question to you. If you had to choose one SUV to drive for the next 10 years without a single regret, which one would it be? Drop your pick in the comments below, because trust me, this debate gets brutal fast. And if you're still deciding, that's fine. Just remember, flash fades, but reliability, it quietly outlives everything.